Hello and welcome to the Vinci onboarding training. My name is Pranadutta and I'll be guiding you through your first steps to success with Vinci through these tutorials. This video's focus will be on setting up a build awareness campaign. The build awareness campaign is one of 3 Vinci campaigns you can use. You can use it to start a series of emails that will send folks to a variety of different destinations. The features added in a build awareness campaign are a little more dynamic than both the capture leads and drive traffic campaigns. It also makes dropping folks into these campaigns significantly easier. You'll launch the Build Awareness campaign from your Create a Campaign section on the left side. You're going to go ahead and click Launch right here. I'll click Got it, let's go. Once you're in, you'll know you're in a Build Awareness campaign because the bar at the top will be green. There are 3 different sections in the Build Awareness campaign. The first section is similar to the Drive Traffic campaign. It will ask you to set the destination of the first email that you're sending out. I'm going to go ahead and select the drop down and set the destination I want to target in the first email. Once I'm done, I'll scroll down and click Save. The second section is where you will start creating your campaigns. In this example, I'll create a sequence of email follow-ups that will go out to folks once they've completed their purchase of Vinci. Editing the copy and images are very similar to capture leads and drive traffic campaigns. Once I'm done adding all the details of my email, I'll go ahead and select Save on the right, and then I'll open up the Email Settings tab right underneath that. In the email settings, I can choose a cadence of when I want to drop folks into this campaign, as well as who this email comes from and the templates. So I'm going to go ahead and select my name, and maybe I want to choose a different template. Push everything to the left. I can go ahead and do that, and then I'll click Save. Once I'm done with my first email, I can go ahead and create another follow-up email that goes out a few days later. So I'll go ahead and select Add Another Email on the left-hand column. In this email, I can add a separate link to a different destination and even change the call to action button color. So if I go down here, I can go ahead and select the button right here, and maybe I want to link folks to my calendar. And maybe choose a different call to action button color. Then update the copy and images in this email as well. So once I'm done editing the copy and the images, I'll go ahead and select the Save button on the right side. I can also control who receives this email by selecting the Email Settings tab here. So now I can control the cadence, so I'll have this maybe go out 4 days after the first email. And I can control who receives this email, so maybe I want non-openers or non-clickers of the previous email to receive this. But I can also uncheck this and leave this blank, and this means that everyone will receive this email. So I'll keep it as is for now. And I can control who this email comes from, whether it's me or someone else in our team. So once I'm done selecting all this information, I'll go ahead and select Save again. And now I've created my first Build Awareness campaign, and I'll close out the second section. The third section is where I can configure the notifications and alerts, so I can get an email notification whenever someone opens the email or when someone clicks the link on my email. Click Save. And once I'm done with the third section, I'm going to want to now drop folks into this campaign. I can drop folks into this campaign by selecting the Contact section on the left side. I'll want to select the specific list that I want to target, so I'll go here to CSV Uploads. I'll select the list that I've uploaded. And if you'll go ahead and look on the right side, you'll see a drop down right here with a wheel image on it. I'll go ahead and select the drop down. Then I'll select the part that says Add to Drip Campaign. I can either add an entire list or I can add individual contacts. So if I want to target specific people, I can go ahead and select this. And then I can select the person I want to target specifically. And once I'm done targeting that person, I can click Save. I can select the campaign that I want to add them to. So right now this is the only Build Awareness campaign that I have. And then I'll click OK. The drip sequence will now start for the person who is receiving this email. Now this is useful because if you have new contacts that you've updated to your database and you want to target them specifically for one of these Build Awareness campaigns, you can now select them individually and add them to this drip sequence.